Sony have released firmware 4 for A7S3 camera. And with the help of this firmware update, you can import and preview the external LUTs in A7S3. Now, in case you don't know how to update your camera, I've already made a video about that. You can just click on this and watch it. Now, after updating the camera, you are ready to import external LUT. But before you do that, make sure that your LUT size is 33 by 33, not 65 by 65. And in case you don't know how to check the size of your LUT, just right click on this, go on view info, and then you can just see here, or just press Command plus I and you can see the info of your LUT, and in the preview you will see the size of your LUT. Now what if your LUT size is 65 by 65? You can simply convert your LUT to 33 by 33 in DaVinci Resolve for free. And I've already made a video about that as well in case you wanna see that. Another thing to keep in mind is make sure that your LUT is in .q format, not in any other format. After you are done with all these things, you are ready to import your LUT. Now, let me just show you how to do that in your camera. Put your card in your camera and go to menus, and once you're in menus, go to shooting, and in media, go to format, slot 1 or slot 2, whatever you have, and execute your format. And once your card is being formatted, just put your card in your PC and copy your LUT file, and then open your card, go to private, and then go to Sony, and then go to Pro LUT, and in this folder, just on this destination, paste your LUT file. After that, close it and eject your card. Once you're done with that, put your card back in your camera and then go to menus. In menus, scroll down till you see exposure and color. Enter there and go to color and tone. Now here, scroll down till manage user LUTs. And here, go on import edit and click on any of these numbers out of 16 and go to media, select the slot and select your LUT, and then do OK. And this is how you can import your LUT in your A7S3. You can have 16 LUTs at once in your card, not more than that. Once you are done with importing, let me just show you how you can preview your LUT. So if I go back from here and I go to select LUT, you can see it's grayed out. Why? Because I'm not in log shooting mode. So if I click on this, you will see it's saying you need to change it to log shooting. So how can I do that? I will go back from here. I will go to the shooting, and in shooting, I will go to the image quality, and then in there, I'm gonna go to the log shooting settings. I will enter there. And after that, what you need to do is you can see that it's off. You need to enter and turn it to flexible ISO. Once you do that, make sure that embed LUT file is off, not on. If it's on, it might be embedded in your video. It might be baked on. So just keep it off for safety. So I will keep it off. And then now I will go back to my color and tone. So if I select my LUT and I change, you can see it's changing. Let me move it towards my colleagues. There you go. And if I go to Rec 709, now this one is my LUT, and this is Rec 709 again, LUT again, and then this is log. Now, in case you are having any complications in importing LUT in A7S3, just put that in the comments and I'll be more than happy to reply that. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.